Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add contacts in Calendly. So you want to click on contacts on the left hand side. And from here, you will see the option, what it looks like on the preview. So you can click and add a contact, or you can even book first meeting. It's really up to you. I'm going to click on add contact right here. Here you can upload an image of a person. So I'm going to find something on my computer that I would like to use. So let's say I'm going to use let's use this picture here of the kid, right? And let's say you add that in. You can see the picture, add a name. I'm gonna just call this one Drew Baby, for example. And email, I'm gonna just say, so email, I'm gonna just say Drew Baby. Gmail, for example. Phone number, we leave it as optional. Title, we leave all of these as optional, right? Country, all of these, we leave it as that. And yeah, just click and save contact. And that's it. So that's how you can add contacts, guys, in Calendly. Very easy and very simple. You can always go back at any point in time and modify a contact if you so desire, and you just need to click on it. And once you click on it, you have the option to click the edit on the upper, let's say, right hand side of the name. You can see it on the left. You click there and you can edit the details for the contacts. Then click and save changes.